Launching a startup is a long journey with many difficulties, but it gets easier with a friend, MyCTOfriend. Hi, and welcome back to the CTO tips. And today we're going to make the difference between what is a chief technical officer and what is a developer. And it's all about responsibilities, especially in startup environment. So let's get down to it and draw a couple of responsibilities. If you are a CTO, a developer. Let's start with the developer. The developer needs to code your application and will need to manage the database. That's the main responsibilities of a developer. And the developer will also bring the input from the CEO, the marketing team, and some designer, which going to provide the usual aspect of the required application. And they also going to do some bug tests and correction. That's usually what we expect from a developer. Now let's talk about the CTO. The CTO have very large amount of responsibility. First of all, this is a manager. So if we talk about the CTO, we talk about a manager. And as a manager, he's going to manage, of course, all the development aspects. But not only that, he's also going to manage the data architecture. He's going to manage the infrastructure, the server infrastructure. He's going to manage the team. And by team, we're going to also talk about cost. He's also going to do a role of leadership. That's someone who needs to inspire all the team, but not only the team, all the company need to trust in the CTO. That's very key in order to the startup to grow. And he also provides a technical expertise, which gonna lead to the technical vision of the company. And that might enable all the company to identify opportunities. Like as example, Amazon built in the past a huge server infrastructure, which lead them to create someday AWS. And AWS, Amazon Web Services, is today, I guess, the leader, I believe he is a leader in terms of cloud infrastructure. And what another skill set that is required for the CTO is to be good in communication. And by good in communication, that also means understanding not all, but most of the marketing aspects of building a company. That's all the skill sets that are required, and that's what makes the difference between a developer who's going to handle the code, the database management, and bug management, while a CTO going to manage all the rest, all the technical aspect of building a company. This is what I like to call a solution provider. This is the main role of a CTO. Okay, let's come up to the conclusion of this small CTO tips. The developer just code, manage the database, while the CTO manage the team, the production, the strategy, and participate to the strategy and the vision of the global company. He is also involved in the marketing strategy and have some skill set on this topic too. He's a solution provider, very good in communication, and it's going to inspire all the company to lead the company to innovate and create innovation products. I hope it was helpful, and if you want more advice, courses, content about how to build a startup with or without a CTO, I invite you to get to MyCTOfriend.co. You will have free courses there and a bunch of things to check out. See you there, and bye for now.